What's up everybody, Texicana BBQ. Today we're gonna talk about a legend. Austin Smokework. 500 gallon, fully insulated smoker. There is nothing I don't like about this smoker. It's just awesome. I mean, look at this. The paint job is phenomenal. We have our temperature gauge, and up to here is all, all normal. But look at this. So on the bottom of the smoker, there is another temperature gauge, which to me it seems amazing. When the top rack is running 300, the bottom rack it runs about 150. We can also slide the bottom rack back and forth, and if we don't have a warmer, 150 is the perfect temperature to hold meat. Interesting also here, a short elbow and the iconic Austin Smokework cleavers where we can manage the damper. Right beside the cutting board below the stack, we have a propane tank that feeds a blue torch located in the firebox. Every corner in the firebox, the frame, the door and so forth, they're sanded down silky smooth. Usually the smoother gonna be the air intake, the smoother gonna be the flow. The blowtorch in the firebox is pretty useful to start the fire. Or, if you think the same way that I do, instead of starting a fire, you can use the blowtorch to make a steak. A reverse sear steak. We run the pit at 200 degrees, we pull the steak at 130, then we sear it, we let it rest for about half an hour, and the carryover will take care of it. It's like some redneck searing right there. Here we go. This is a nice touch. On the side over here, we have a twin bed. We can put about a quart of wood. What I like about this smoker is, considering the dimension, how compact it is. The shelf below to use as a warmer, the little stove on the side, the torch in the firebox. You can put enough wood. You have a lot of extra space for Yeti and so forth. The reclinable cutting board when you can wrap comfortably a brisket. The tires, vintage tires, always nice to have. This thing is getting expensive. There is a lot of detail about this smoker. Below a temperature gauge there is a hole that you can stick your thermoprobe. You don't need to squeeze into the door. The door are perfectly sealed. The smokestack itself, we can talk about that for an hour. It's double axle, and the light, all the finishing, and we could go on and on for another hour. The amount of custom detail inside and outside this smoker is pretty impressive. We're gonna talk a little bit with Jimbo, the creator and the pit builder of this amazing smoker. We're chilling, let's get a beer, because I'm thirsty also. Oh, I like this. What's your story, Jimbo? How you started? I'm very interested to know what were your first steps, how you come up with the idea of, I know that you're related to John Lewis. What's up, John?
Good friend of mine, we were at the house and we were wanting to make a barbecue cook-off team, and we wanted to go cook off at the Austin Rodeo. And Joaquin came to me and he was like, dude, we need to go try out John Lewis. We tried his barbecue and that was the best barbecue I think I've ever eaten in my life. And we asked him to become part of the team, and he agreed to, and he came to the house and came to the meeting, and a few days later his dad contacted me and he was like, hey Jim, do you mind if we build some pits at your house? I'm like, sure, come on. So we started building pits in late 2013.
Their pit building style have changed since then, or you basically...
Little John did a lot of research on these pits, about the draw, stack length, size, openings, the whole 9 yards, anything from that end to this end, and we've stuck with it because it is a true worker.
If you look at the gauges, it says building your dream, and this is my dream. Jimbo being one of my best friends. We came up with this idea, and he built my dream.
And that'll be all for today. Make your dream happen. You can contact Austin Smokework at austinsmokework.com on Facebook and also on Instagram. And what's your favorite smoker? You like offset or something else? Do you prefer the 500 or the 250? Let me know in a comment section below. If you like the video and you want to see more video like this, support my channel by subscribing. And you can contact me and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Texicana BBQ. Ciao! The smokestack create pressure. My precious. Mikey, my brother. Everybody else, ciao! No, I don't like everybody else. What's your name? I forgot.
Jason.
Alright.
Biggin.
Alright.
We call him Biggin.
I'm using this ice spice, which I like. It's good spice. It's basically what this is seasoning salt.
You gotta open it.
That works there.
It works better that way.
It was already planned, pre-planned. You know?
I've seen it.